Chapter 6, problem number 13. You are given a list of defects. You're also given the frequencies, which you would perhaps get from your check sheet. And what you need to do is sort this from the most frequent defect to the least frequent defect using Pareto analysis. So in this particular case, we've sorted and from left to right, from the most frequent to the least frequent. So we've taken the listing of defects, reorganized them or resorted them by the numbers. So the misplaced transistors is the 601 defects will be on the far left-hand side. The least frequent defect, which is the mounting holes are improperly positioned, will be on the far right. So as I mentioned in the lecture, it simply looks like a set of stairs. And if you were asked as a quality manager, or you step into a job and they say, we're having problems with quality, you have a week to solve the problem. First thing you do is you find out the types of defects, measure them, count them, and then organize it. So if I'm the quality manager for this, I'm going to find out why the transistors are being misplaced. That's 601 defects from simply that particular problem. So I talk to the people who are doing that. I find out if there's issues with the way they're stored, or the way they're retrieved, or the way that they're used, etc. I find out and investigate. Then once I've found out some of the reasons why, and we deal with some of the perhaps a new process, perhaps new storage or bins, whatever the case may be, then I would go down to components are not adhering and defective board measurements. So you would go through and then go to the next most frequent and the next most frequent, etc., all the way down to dealing with the misalignment of the mounting holes. So in part B, what conclusion do you reach? I'm going to find out why there's the misplaced transistors.